Now, the northeast is inundated as rains wreak havoc in these states. Heavy rains cause widespread damage and inundation. Flash floods have hit in several northeast states. Landslides affecting Arunachal Pradesh and Assam as well. At least 17 people have died in the last 24 hours across the 7 states. Landslides have blocked key highways, causing disruption to connectivity as well. Waterlogged roads and properties have been damaged in several areas, and NDRF has conducted rescue operations in several of these regions. We've also been seeing mobile connectivity disrupted in Assam while vehicles being washed away in Sikkim. We're also learning that in Sikkim, a bus had plunged into the Teesta River because of the heavy rains and landslides.
Amid massive rains for the past 24 hours, several areas of Guwahati are inundated. People are stuck at their homes. Many people don't have even drinking water because the electricity has been cut off, fearing electrocution. And in between this is a special relief operation and rescue operation run by the state government. So several rubber boats have been put in place in areas which are completely inundated at this moment, where although because of rains weakening from the morning, the water levels have receded, but still people are stuck. And these people who are from the state administration, they are basically reaching out with stocks of water, biscuits and other dry fruit items. Also, these boats are used in case when they reach out to this waterlogged areas, if they find somebody who is unwell, who needs to be taken to a doctor, or if there is some emergency, these people are being evacuated with the help of these boats. So this is the way the state government is trying to reach out to people. There you can see elderly people are there, and the authorities will now go and inquire whether they would like this elderly person to be evacuated or they are okay staying here. Depending upon their choice, they would be actually provided help. एक मिनट आपसे बात करते हैं। हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक एल्डरली पर्सन है, तो ऐसे जो लोग हैं जो थोड़े वनरेबल हैं, पानी बढ़ने से इन लोगों को कष्ट हो सकती है, क्या आप इन लोगों को रेस्क्यू करके भी लेके जाते हैं?
हाँ, लेके जाते हैं।
तो क्या प्रोटोकॉल क्या है अभी आप लोगों की ये रिलीफ और रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन की?
प्रोटोकॉल ऐसे हम लोग जो सहायता देते हैं कोई प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि जब ज़रूरत होता है सभी आदमियों को ज़रूरत होता है, इसी हिसाब से हम पूरी करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
और आपने बहुत लोगों को रेस्क्यू भी किया, पेशेंट जो भी?
हाँ कर रहे हैं अभी भी, और आने वाला भी है
और आना वाला। So there you are, while people are hoping that this rains will weaken and situation will improve, the government at this moment is focusing in terms of reaching out to the people who are stuck in the waterlogged areas, who don't have food, reaching out with water and basic essentials. In Guwahati with Camson, Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.